What if your skincare could do more than just mask the signs of aging? What if it could actually teach your skin to repair itself? Meet the Ella Pure Peptide Serum by Dr. Christina Rahm. This isn't a single ingredient trend, it's a comprehensive formulation built on four pillars of cellular health. First, a powerful trio of peptides, including Matrixyl 3000, acts as the master signals, instructing your cells to produce more collagen. Then, a full spectrum of amino acids provides the essential building blocks to actually construct that new collagen. But it doesn't stop there. A synergistic botanical complex catalyzes and strengthens the dermal matrix, while the star ingredient, Black Cumin Seed, provides potent antioxidant protection and supports your skin's vital microbiome. Experience the paradigm shift in anti-aging. Click the link in the description for the full guide and discover how the Ella Pure Peptide Serum can unlock your skin's natural ability to regenerate.